this is the Where Street video. So please enjoy this video. Before you this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please comment any ideas you have for next video. Okay, it's time to go. Let's go. And this is the western part of the Wales.
Someone's that type of person that's just
As you can see, there are some lovely views of the Irish Sea at the western Wales right now.
Yeah. I knocked him out the floor, you know, the ground.
Okay, continue. So what happened was, this is where we have done the raft crafting. Can you see the two lines there? This is where we swam because we fell down.
Oh yeah, it was alright, yeah. Okay. Yeah, we built one off, so it was fun.
Yeah. Then why did you bring our raft?
Why did we make it? What do you mean, why did we make it?
Yeah, why did you bring our raft?
Oh, because ours fell apart, so we swam over and we destroyed yours, so...
Fine. More money. Uh-oh. And there's Lolly there. I'm not sure if it's correct. Okay, it looks quite dangerous there, as you can see.
Upset the cows.
Don't upset these cows, or you'll be in trouble. You lose strong. Interesting. Made of the geography. Island there.
Yeah, no, just about opposite, yeah.
I can see the house there. In fact. Yes, there is. Yeah, there is. On the line, you should be really careful, you can see it. At that point, it's just carefully. I'm not sure if you can see it in my video. It's the island there. What happens there? Nice try. Okay, there's some place here. It's also wind.
I totally agree with you, but that is...
Wait a second. So we arrived now, and we are going to the... I forget what are we doing today? Paddleboarding. Yeah, paddleboarding. Yeah. So again, I'm sorry I can't show what I've done in the paddling, but what I did paddling was today. So I did something which is quite fun. Yes, good. It's the second day. Okay, as you said, I did the paddling. Unfortunately, I think you still 5 seconds, but I can't shoot everything. So it was still fun, yes. Even though some people trying to flip me over to water, but yes, it was still fun. Yeah, I'm really sorry that I can't show you. And we were the other group, for GCS groups, they are doing the kayaking. They say it was boring. I'm not sure if they should. They say it was really hard. They 7 hours non-stop. That's what happened. I'm not sure if it's correct. Let's see the other people's reaction if I can. If not, I'm sorry. On third day, I hope I can show you what I'm doing. Okay, here's where we do now, and let's have the climbing. Let's
Told Freddie to do that, he probably would.
So as you can see there, there's the colours different, white and dark.
Is this for the vlog?
Yeah.
Here it's working.
So basically, because I can't do the climbing, so I'm just telling you. So how was the climbing?
I enjoyed it, it was good.
Yes.
I was hard.
Might be in the vlog.
And
Yes, you can.
also you're childish.
Rock climbing.
Yeah, what did you so rock climbing, how much do you climb?
Yeah.
Move back a little.
Yeah, for
Like,
sure.
There you go.
probably
now.
climbed about 10 meters. I don't know.
You
Probably
can
less. Like 5 meters.
Okay.
I mean, how tall was it? Like 12. It was, yeah, about 500 meters.
500. Okay, so I'm so sorry I come back with the bouldering again, but now we are hiking now.
Yeah, then they burn the line.
So the last of all step is one of the couple. He's not using it, I think. And there's different colours as well. Interesting. Like that one. That place just has an apis and fungus. The place where we have done the bouldering. We just walking on the rocks. It's quite hot. So is this a Ramsey Island there? No. Okay.
So that's Scober Island.
Okay.
Oh, you mean that?
Can you see that little island on the distance?
There.
So that's Grassholm. Guys, can you have a look on the horizon? Can you see the little island?
Yeah.
You can see there's like a white cap on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that white cap is actually about 1 million gannets. About 1 million gannets. About 1 million gannets. About 1 million gannets on the island.
A million what?
1 million gannets. So
If you
gannet
want to
is a
Taiwan
big
to jump.
seabird. From wing to wing, it's about 6 foot long.
Well,
6
really?
foot wide.
Oh.
Yeah. There's 750.
Okay, serious, a little bit. Yeah, there's slightly tick, 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 that one. If you see really carefully, you can see island there. Between the two islands. Not island, I mean, we probably island there. Island. So the national park introduced them here to keep everything short.
Oh, so they're not.
They're not naturally here.
Okay.
Let's try them.
Yeah.
Cool, eh?
So they are the wild horse. Interesting.
Are they docile?
Horse now. Oh, this is horse is a cut. Because it's not but you see them. Okay, this is the way.
My favourite.
So there's like a cave there.
Sorry.
Yeah. Look at this. This happened because of the waves, isn't it?
I think so. Yeah, probably.
Okay, the GC is good. Okay, now GC is good. Oh, doing the kayaking one now. It's quite safe. Yeah.
In Taiwan, I can recognise your voice more than anyone's, so if you want to get them to notice you.
Yeah, that's true. But of course you can't see their face because I'm doing that on purpose. What they're doing right now. And I say hello to them. You can see there's some of the caves there, which are really nice. Very nice. They're made by the waves. You can see now what there is.
Hit your face on the.
So Tom, how was the taste?
It tastes like grass, Taiwan.
As usual. So basically, you mean this yellow plants will just taste like grass?
Yeah.
Absolutely no. So you can see this is the low tide one now. So the most water are not here now. So when it's the high tide, it comes towards here, and there's a colorful of the rocks, and it's our systems for that. But there's some of the water still coming down from there. Yeah, we just do not escape yet. And some of them you can write down to any day. Okay, now the wild shape. So I'm not saying I'm not sure to go away, just yeah, man.
This is rabbit hole.
So you mean this is the rabbit hole? See, the rabbit hole. So there are lots of islands there. Island. So there's water over there.
And then,
So now we're going down now. You can see there's lots of cliffs there. It's quite safe, so we need to do really carefully. But for you, holding it right now. So there's a male chance over there. You can see the camera. Oh, we can't, but it's better to at least to tell. It looks like there's a cave there, isn't it? There's something like a red thing. Finish the red thing there, there's a cave. Yeah. That's good. And you can see there's a person there. So, can you see this cliff here? Boys? Harry? Can you see that cliff there?
yeah.
See, it's kind of undercut.
Yeah.
Cliff.
Just here.
See, it's kind of overhanging.
Yeah.
Uneroded away, so there's not much above you. So all the wind and that eroded away the cliff and the soft soil. So when we're on the coastal path, it's a really good idea to stay on the path. Sometimes you walk right up to the edge, you can only be still on this much dirt. There's a house there. Again, just last. That's really amazing to show. I want to see. I hope that you can visit Wales, West of Wales, I mean, in future. So, but as you can see, there's some of the tires there, or maybe old tires, I'm not sure about that. We also have some old houses. That's really old houses. Comment any part of this video, please comment any ideas you have for next video, and please subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.